And rain taps on the window pane, not relief. And gray skies fill the lonely street, no peace. Drowning in these thoughts of you know when waves of sorrow crash again beneath. Cold wind cuts through hollow bones, lost. Empty rooms and echoes of what we've lost. Faces blurred by time and distant dreams. Only shadows of our former selves remain. When the rain falls like tears I feel near, and whispers in the dark bring back the fear. Nightmares never cease to haunt my soul. In the drizzle of despair our pain is slow. Silent cries unheard in the stormy brood. Memories like anchors dragging through. Washed away the moments we once knew. Ceaseless rain and heartache that ensued. Raindrops fall on leaves like broken hearts. Fragile pieces scattered, torn apart. Flood of loss, no way to find the start. In this endless downpour, no light. When the rain falls like tears I feel near, whispers in the dark bring back the fear. Nightmares never cease to haunt my soul. In the drizzle of despair our pain is slow. When the rain falls like tears I feel near, whispers in the dark bring back the fear. Nightmares never cease to haunt my soul. In the drizzle of despair our pain is slow. Raindrops fall